we started talking about my day in the hospital, the stories I'm hearing and I'm seeing every day, and I was like, remember the Humans of New York thing? I think we need to do something about the physicians and the nurses and everybody working in the healthcare.
We really think that every aspect of their life is inspiring itself. So it could be an influential person in your life. For a lot of them, it's been their colleagues during this time.
They're our own superheroes in their own ways. So it feels these stories that they share, it's like pieces of a comic book.
When I heard about their project, I started following and I was reading the stories. They were inspirational, and they also reminded me that I wasn't alone. A lot of people are staying in hotels, staying away from their loved ones, their kids, their babies. So I thought it was a great story and support system.
I felt like that was an opportunity for me to kind of, get my own voice out there. I know there's been, a lot of talk about COVID, what's been going on, people's personal experiences.
It serves as a therapy for the people who submit the stories. And now we're getting people who we already published their stories and they come back with another one because it just feels good. And they say, this happened today and I felt like this.
And I remember the day that it switched from COVID precautions to like COVID being here. And it went from a relatively like quiet unit to like every room, like there were people coughing. COVID was literally coughing at the door. It was right there. And I will never forget it because I was like, here we go. We're starting,
It's a little bit different for everybody. So I have to constantly remind myself every day that, everybody is at risk of having the disease even if they don't have symptoms.
Healthcare workers or heroes are super stressed, or they have been throughout this time. So we're partnering with therapists, yogis, and psychologists to give us some resources that we can provide to the healthcare workers through our platform.
A community is being developed that supporting our healthcare workers.
I just hope that they don't feel alone and that they continue to be strong and share their stories too, because we're all in it together. We all want the same outcome. We all want life to go back to how it was.